So this talk is titled Upcoming 4.3 GenQuery. And I'm just going to basically just show some code and run a couple of queries. All right. What does it look like? So you can see them through my terminal. So yeah, let's go up here and look at some. Well, before we get into code, let's just run some queries, right? All right, so with this, I already have it compiled. We can do things like so the new GenQuery is case insensitive. The column names and things are still, require you to be uppercase, but it does support things like or. Let's see. Let's say metadata, adder name, and nope. And what's one? Let's say rest. Maybe rest name will work. Right. And let's add that right there. What does that give us? Nothing apparently. All right. Let's just get rid of that. Ooh, that's not good. The best type of demo, right? All right, so we got something here. It's likely related to, column resolution. Like all this code right here is doing like a breadth first search. We maintain a graph, and I can show what it takes to do some of the things that I wanted to show. But let's see, let's do that. And so if we look at this is like the Flex Bison parser in all its glory. On the left, we have the actual Bison code, which takes the output from the Flex Lexer and produces this helps us produce an AST and things, and allows us to make decisions about basically this will help us produce valid SQL, and it allows us to do things like achieve sub-selects and other things. And okay, I still have plenty of time apparently. Yeah, if we look over here, this is a little bit easier to understand. We have the Flex Lexer, and so you can see here all of these lines are how we identify the different tokens within the string, and the little I's, this little stuff over here means like these fields are case insensitive. These represent all the different types of operators we want to select. So this is us trying to give you, support for like and end and order by and various other things like control and, support for parentheses and grouping. And if I could write a good query, we could demonstrate that, which I will try to do again right here. As a matter of fact, let's go up here. And so if we do this, you can see the output it produced, which is, this is a good example of showing that the aggregate SQL functions are not something that we don't necessarily care about the names. We will just basically match and say, hey, does this match this style of a function? And we will pass it through to the parser. And just if it makes it through the parser correctly, you can just run this SQL, and that gives you access to all the different SQL commands, right? Let's see if I can run another GenQuery here. Is there any particular query anyone would like to see done in here? All right, let's select. Wait. Time's up. All right, well, yeah, time's up. All right, well, that's it. Thank you.